Write and graph inequalities. You can write an inequality to represent a situation. So for example, you must be over 12 years old to ride the go-karts. So I can represent this situation with an inequality statement. This is similar to when we were writing algebraic expressions. So I know that I'm going to choose A as my age. And I know that my age has to be greater than 12. Okay. I could also show it this way. 12 has to be less than the age. That means the same thing, because if I read it, age is still greater than 12, if I'm reading it backwards. Okay? And then there's a way to graph the inequality. So, inequalities can be graphed on a number line. Sometimes it is impossible to show all the values that make an inequality statement true. So the graph helps you to see the values that make it true. A couple key things. One, an open dot or circle means it does not include the value. A closed dot or circle does include the value. So if we take a look at A has to be greater than 12, then I know that I want to go ahead and draw a number line that goes at least to 12. And if it has to be greater than 12, I want to show some numbers that are larger than 12. So I'm going to make a number line. And here's the rule of thumb. I like to try and place the value that it has to be greater than or less than in the middle. So I'm going to place the 12 right in the middle, or close to the middle, and I'm going to show some points either direction. So I have 12, 13, 14, 15. This way I have 11, 10, 9. Notice that from left to right, the numbers increase. Okay? And then if I were to graph this, I notice that this is not actually equal to 12, so it has to be an open circle at 12. So I draw an open circle, and then I can draw a line that's greater, that shows that they're greater than 12. So 13 is greater than 12, 14, 15. So I draw a line that goes all the way across, and I end it with an arrow. And that shows A is greater than 12.